guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is a collab with my very talented friend Lissa from the channel Greencrystalrose. We decided to do a Goodwill upcycle, so we just took some items that were very drab and in dire need of a makeover and of course made them beautiful again. Be sure to check out her video and also subscribe to her channel. I will link everything down below. She has some amazing videos with all the glitz and glam that I know you will love. If this is your first time visiting my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. But for now, let's get on to my upcycle. So I purchased this set of tall floor candle holders, again from the Goodwill. So I actually already had this pack of solar lit boxwood stakes. I bought them from Big Lots on a clearance for $3 a box, which was awesome. And then I purchased these two planters from the Dollar Tree, so $1 each. And on the candle holders, I got an awesome deal because they were half price off of the tag. So I ended up paying $6.50 for both of them. I started out by painting my planters with a flat white spray paint, and then while I waited for these to dry, I just went ahead and started painting my candle holders. I probably should have been wearing a mask and even some gloves, but just because my time is so limited, I had to do this quick. So if you do this, make sure you wear a mask. So the legs on the candle holder were a little crooked and I just had to straighten them out so it wouldn't tilt so much. And then also this top part was just all bent and all, I don't know, it was just super bent and not proportionate. So I just took my hammer and started banging away to flatten it as much as I could. Originally, I was only going to paint the row part of the candle holders. I thought it would kind of be a contrast between the white and then the iron part of it, but I didn't like it, so I spray painted the whole thing evenly and kept it all white. So for the planter part, I went ahead and took my E6000 glue and just put it all around the bottom part. I am also going to be using my Gorilla hot glue, which I hear is stronger than regular hot glue. So I'm just going to put it all around. I get a lot of questions as to why I use both glues. One dries a lot faster, that's the hot glue, and then the E6000 glue takes forever, but it's a lot stronger. So by putting the hot glue, it helps it dry faster so I don't have to wait for the E6000 to dry, if that makes sense. So after I put all my glue on there, I just set them on top of the pillar thing, and as you can see, it's not going to go anywhere. As you can see on these stakes, there's a wire that is attached to both of them, so these have to stay together or within close range of each other, just because I can't remove the cable from them. And so basically all I did was just stick them into the pot. I was going to put some floral foam just to make them sturdier, but they fit perfectly in there, so I guess if there's like a windstorm or something, they may get knocked over, but I can just put them back on simply. So what I'm going to do is just tuck in the wire as best as I can. I should have spray painted it white, but oh well, maybe next time. This is the solar charger, so I kind of have to leave it out where the sun's going to hit it, so I'm just going to kind of tuck it in the back. So here is the final result. This is probably the easiest upcycle that I have ever done to date. For the amount that I paid for this, it looks absolutely gorgeous, I think, and also a lot more expensive. Unfortunately, that box had been sitting in the attic for 2 years, so they didn't have enough time to charge so that I could show you guys what they look like at night or when they're lit, because I'm actually still waiting for that to happen. So this is going to be it for now. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye!